I'm Jeremy with SafeAir Certified Mold Inspection, and I am a Certified Microbial Consultant. You can find me on the web at safeairtesting.com, or you can also call me at 404-695-0673. A question that I'm often asked is, how do professionals remove mold? Professionals remove mold using the optimal protective equipment to make sure they are not breathing or being exposed to mold contaminants. Proper containment to make sure they do not spread the mold contaminants to unaffected areas during cleaning, in addition to the best chemicals and training to remediate a mold problem. For larger projects, you may need professional training, which is beyond the scope of this post. For small mold problems, the EPA has recommended guidelines for removing small mold problems. You can read about their recommendations for small mold cleanup projects on their website, which I've provided a link to. One of the most important precautions to use is to use a respirator when removing mold, so that you do not breathe the mold contaminants when you are removing it. For larger projects, you may need more professional breathing filtration equipment. An N95 respirator that can be purchased at a hardware store is sufficient for small mold problems. Refer to the EPA's website for additional precautions to take. Some soapy water, rags, and a scrub brush can go a long way in removing mold contaminants from surfaces. It is always good to spray any surfaces that have been cleaned with a chemical that will sterilize any remaining mold contaminants that may be left on the surface. I recommend mold remediation projects made by RMR brands. You can purchase their products on their website, which I've provided a link. I've tested many of these RMR brand products and they work really well. I recommend spraying an antimicrobial encapsulant such as Fiberlock on lumber after it has been cleaned. Fiberlock discourages mold from returning to surfaces it has been applied to. Every basement and crawl space needs a dehumidifier to maintain the relative humidity below 55% to discourage mold from growing. If your crawl space has grill vents around the exterior foundation walls, a power vent system is usually the best option. If you need professional advice about a mold problem in your home or business, please call SafeAir Certified Mold Inspection. Thank you.